You're about to watch the Polly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
Alright folks, in this one I'm going to do a little practice for my little pizza business model, and I'm going to make 2 Detroit style pizza crusts at the same time in the Wilprep Pizza Oven. Both pizza crusts or doughs are from the same batch, so shouldn't be any difference there. One pan's going to be using the Lloyd's pan, and the other pan is going to be using the Detroit style pizza company pan. I kind of favor the Detroit style pizza pan over the Lloyd's because it's a little thinner and it's more authentic looking, as well Lloyd's is a little thicker gauge, which you would think I would like more, but I don't know, it seems like a regular pan in some ways. Nothing really crying Detroit style, but I'm not going to throw it away. I'm going to use it, and I'm going to use it here in this video, as I said, and do a side-by-side cook at the same time in the Wilprep Pizza Oven. Let's see how even I can cook these 2 pizza crusts, and let's see what this Wilprep Pizza Oven is really worth. And, yeah, I am stocking up on some partially cooked pizza crusts. What for? Because in a future video I'm going to make anywhere from 3 to 5 pizzas back to back and see if I can do those in a uniform manner, as if I got 5 customers standing in line at my pizza truck, trailer, whatever. So yeah, let's check it out, see how it goes. So here's the 2 pizza doughs that are going to be pizza crusts. 76% hydration, King Arthur bread flour, and I made the dough this morning, or the morning of this video. Yeah, it looks pretty good. They look identical. I'm liking it. That lid is on the Detroit style pizza company pan. The other pan is a Lloyd's pan, and this dough I made the night before inside the Detroit style pizza company pan. It's fine. It's in the freezer. Now you're looking at the Wilprep Pizza Oven, 500 degrees, been warming up for an hour. This tool, which I didn't use in these 2 pizza doughs, it'll help you stretch out that dough. You're just gonna make sure you put oil on it. Yeah, getting ready to put it in the oven. The pan I seasoned, Lloyd's pan. Eight minutes. Lloyd's pan is on the right side. It's maintaining the 500 degrees. If it's not maintaining them, lights will come on. Halfway mark at 4 minutes. That little smoky steam, combination of both, I'm not sure. I wasn't too worried about that steam, smoke, whatever it is coming out. Didn't smell like smoke, therefore it's not. Like I said, I'm safe. Okay, we're counting down. She done. We're gonna take out the Lloyd's pan first. Got a couple pimples on top of that one. Could have just used a peel, but the grabber is this is what it's made for. It's clean in there. So if you think something was burning in there, there wasn't. Safety. Let's get the crust out. On the Detroit style pizza company pan. And there's the pan. Let these cool down. There's Lloyd's pan. And are they uniform? Got some holes in that one. That's not because of the pan. And then here's Lloyd's. Got one hole in there. As long as they ain't punching through the top, I'm okay with it. I'm not worried about those holes. But yeah, very nice. 8 minutes cooked, 500 degrees. And then when I make build the pizza, we'll have another 8-minute cook, and this crust is going to be great. I didn't want it real thick, and that's what I get. That's what I got. Pretty uniform. Very nice. Let them cool off a little bit more, and then we'll throw them in the freezer. Oh, you guys wondering where the fiso table is? It's in here. Okay, the crust is cooled down enough. Now we're going to wrap them up so we can put them in the freezer.
You're watching the Paulie Detmers channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Now, in order to do this for an actual business, I'm going to have to make a lot more than 3 or just 2. But I need more pans. Lloyd's pan. Detroit style pizza company. Yeah, so reach in the freezer, get the other one that I made the night before, and we'll just put them in the bag, Meyer bag. We'll throw them in the freezer. That easy. And you can tell I'm married to a Filipino because I'm tying a plastic bag. Yeah, and the freezer goes with the frosted top there. Yep. Wilprep is a champion. So yeah, in the end, it seems like that Lloyd's pan cooked a little hotter. The bottom was done a little bit more than the Detroit style pizza pan, Detroit style pizza company pan. But that might be because I put the Lloyd's pan on the right side, and maybe because that side gets a little hotter. If I touch the outside of the Wilprep Pizza Oven, I notice it is hotter on the right side. Oh well, uniform enough for me at this point. There are alternatives to preventing this, and that's called rotations. Thank you for watching. I'm Paulie. Until next time.